So here let's take an example, factorial, using iteration and using recursion. Factorial means 5, factorial is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So this is factorial. Now we will do using two methods, using iteration and recursion. First let's see iteration. From now onwards we will do recursion, since to make it visualize it better, I have taken both the examples here. Same will be printed, but how? Let's see. N equals to 5, then I fact is taken as 1. Now n equals to I equals to n, so I is 5, then I is greater than equal to 1. Yes, what I have told you, this, then this, and then it will go like this. So fact is equals to fact into I. Fact was previously 1 into I. I is 5. Now 5 is stored in fact. Now it will be reduced. I will be reduced. Now I is 4. 4 is greater than 1. Yes. Then fact is 5 into I, 4. This is 20. So 20 will be stored. Then again I is decremented. 4 is decremented to 3. 3 is greater than 1. Yes, true. Then fact into I. Fact was 20 into 3 is equals to 60. 60 will be stored in fact. Again I is decremented to 2. So 2 is greater than 1. So now 60 into 2 is 120. So 120 will be stored. Now I is again decremented here, 1, and now fact is equals to 120 into 1 is greater than 1, sorry, is into 1 is 120. So 120 will be stored. Now I is again decremented, I minus is 0. 0 is not greater than 1, so our condition fails. So ultimately our value is 120. You can check in calculator that factorial of 5 is 120. Now we will do the recursion in a better way. Now I have erased this portion. I will use this recursion. I'll use this space to do the recursion. So here let's see. Same thing using recursion. Main int n equals to 5. Then p. P is calling fact. Fact n. Here n is 5. So means it is calling the function fact. So here the control is coming from here to here. So now int fact int n. So here int fact int n means here 5. So now let's see, the condition is if n equals to 0 or n equals to 1, we will return 1, else we will do this. It's again calling itself, just recursively calling itself. So here n is neither equal to 0 nor equals to 1. So what will we do? It will again call n. N means here 5 into fact of 5 minus 1, 4. So again fact is called. Here fact neither n is equals to 4 is equals to 0 or nor 1. So what, it will not return 1, it will return this n. Here n becomes 4 into fact of n minus 1, that is 3. So again 3 is not equal, 3 is again called, factorial of 3 is called again. 3 is not equal to 0 nor 1 equals to 1. So 3 into factorial again 3 minus 1, 2 is called. Now 2 again factorial of 2 is called, so 2 is not equals to 0 nor it is equals to 1, so again 2 factorial 2 will be called here. 2 into fact of 2 minus 1 is 1. Now see here, if n equals to 0 or n equals to 1, we will return 1. So this is returning, this part is returning 1. So 2 into 1 is equals to 2. Now this will go back to here, 2. 3 was there, into multiplied by 2. It's 6. 6 is coming here, 4 into 6. So now 4 into 6, that is 4 6 are 24. 24 again is going here 24, because after this we will print 25 into 24, 24 into 5, 5 goes are 20, 5 to the 10, 120. See, 120 is there. The returning, this return is, this is returning 120. This is returning 120 here, and now printf percentile dp. Now 120 is printed. Basically this is using a stack, but I have used like this. I will do stack also or tree method also, both ways. In later programs it will be more bigger than this program, it will be clear.